So see, this slide is about stages of unit plot plan. As we have discussed during our discussion on overall plot plan, we discussed different stages of overall plot plan there. Similar stages are there for unit plot plan also. For example, okay, we divided into two parts like preliminary stage and final stage. During preliminary stage, we don't have final information related to equipment, PNADs. Okay, we sometimes we have PFDs only. So that kind of raw information is available at start of the project. Based on all these things, we start developing our unit plot plan. So first step will be to understand the process sequence based on PFD or PNADs. We start locating our equipment first. Okay, so based on whatever information is available, we issue a revision of unit plot plan, which we call it issue for review. This goes to all other disciplines as well as other stakeholders like client and PMC. They provide their own comments. We incorporate all these comments and we issue it again for approval. By the time we start getting final vendor drawings, PNIDs, so whatever information we were using here, it becomes much more mature. So we update our unit based on that information and issue it for design. So again, it goes to all stakeholders like client and BMC, and they provide their comments. And they, if they don't have any comment, they provide their approval. So based on this issue for design, we update our 3D model, and all these activities keep on going. Later on, when the information gets more mature and we are able to incorporate all these comments, then we issue it for construction. Sometime at this stage, we issue it for construction with some holds, which we take approval from client. Okay, we have these holds, but we want to issue this for construction. So they provide their approval and we issue it for construction. And once all the holds are removed, we issue it for construction. This is the final stage of the plot plan. So based on that, all the site activity starts, like actual foundation work is done at site, underground work starts based on this document. So our unit plot plan goes through all these stages. These are general stages. Every plot plan has to go through these stages.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.